Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Home. My name is Adam.
And I am Sarah.
This is Learn English, episode 35. Today, we will practice slow, natural English for beginners. Take a deep breath, relax, listen carefully. Today's story is about a simple morning, a normal day, an easy day, a peaceful morning. We will read slowly, then we will repeat, then we will practice again and again. Adam. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. The sun is rising. The sky is light blue. Sarah wakes up slowly. She opens her eyes. She smiles. Adam. She feels calm. She feels happy. She feels ready for the day. Sarah.
She sits up in her bed. She stretches her arms. She stretches her legs.
Adam. She stands up. She walks to the bathroom. She washes her face. Sarah.
She brushes her teeth slowly. She looks in the mirror. She says, "Today is a good day."
Adam. Then she goes to the kitchen. She makes a cup of coffee. The coffee smells warm and nice. Sarah.
She sits at the table. She drinks her coffee. She looks out the window.
Adam. The birds are singing. The street is quiet. The morning is peaceful. Sarah.
She feels thankful. She feels positive. She feels ready.
Adam. After that, she gets dressed. She puts on a blue shirt. She puts on black pants. Sarah.
She checks her phone. She reads a message from her friend. She smiles again.
Adam. She takes her bag. She opens the door. She steps outside. Sarah.
The air is fresh. The sun is warm. It is a beautiful morning.
Adam. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. Repeat. Sarah.
She wakes up slowly.
Repeat. Adam. She brushes her teeth. Repeat. Sarah.
She drinks her coffee.
Repeat. Adam. The morning is peaceful. Repeat. Sarah.
Today is a good day.
Repeat. Very good. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. The sun is rising. The sun is rising. She wakes up slowly. She wakes up slowly. She washes her face. She washes her face. She drinks her coffee. She drinks her coffee. The morning is peaceful. The morning is peaceful. Let's learn some words. 1. Peaceful. Peaceful means calm and quiet. The morning is peaceful. The park is peaceful. The room is peaceful. Repeat, peaceful. 2. Stretch. Stretch means move your body to relax. She stretches her arms. She stretches her legs. Repeat, stretch. 3. Thankful. Thankful means happy and grateful. She feels thankful. I feel thankful for my family.
What time do you wake up?
Say, I wake up at.
Do you drink coffee or tea? Say, I drink.
Is your morning busy or peaceful? Say, my morning is. Very good. She wakes up early. I wake up early. She drinks coffee. I drink coffee. She feels happy. I feel happy. Now you try. She walks to work. Welcome back. Did you read the story? Very good. Repeat after me. Peaceful. Peace. Full. Peaceful.
Morning. Morning. Morning.
Beautiful. Full. Beautiful.
Thankful. Thankful. Thankful.
Again. Peaceful. Morning. Beautiful. Thankful. One more time. Peaceful. Morning. Beautiful. Thankful. Excellent.
Morning.
The morning.
The morning is.
The morning is.
The morning is peaceful. Now you try. Coffee. The coffee. The coffee smells. The coffee smells good. Very good.
It is 6 o'clock in the morning.
It is 6 o'clock in the morning.
She wakes up slowly.
She wakes up slowly.
She stretches her arms and legs.
She stretches her arms and legs.
She washes her face.
She washes her face.
She drinks her coffee.
She drinks her coffee.
The morning is peaceful and quiet.
The morning is peaceful and quiet. Now again, a little faster.
It is 6 o'clock in the morning. She wakes up slowly. She stretches her arms and legs. She washes her face. She drinks her coffee. The morning is peaceful and quiet. Very good. Now take a notebook.
Write 5 sentences about your morning. For example,
I wake up at 7. I drink tea. I check my phone. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Write your own sentences. Take your time.
talk about your morning for 5 minutes. Use simple English. Use short sentences. For example, I wake up at 6. I brush my teeth. I make breakfast. I drink coffee. I go to work. Do not stop. If you make a mistake, continue speaking. Confidence is more important than perfection.
When you wake up tomorrow, think in English.
Say in your mind, I am waking up. I am brushing my teeth. I am drinking coffee. I am starting my day. Practice thinking in English every day.
Now let's continue. I am opening my eyes. I am getting out of bed. I am making my bed. I am walking to the bathroom.
I am washing my face. I am looking in the mirror. I am smiling. I am feeling good.
I am going to the kitchen. I am making coffee. I am making breakfast. I am sitting at the table.
I am eating slowly. I am drinking coffee. I am checking my phone. I am reading messages.
I am getting dressed. I am putting on my shoes. I am taking my bag. I am opening the door.
I am stepping outside. I am feeling the fresh air. I am starting my day with confidence.
Repeat after us. I am waking up.
I am waking up.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am drinking coffee.
I am drinking coffee.
I am starting my day.
I am starting my day.
Very good. Now change I to she. I am waking up. She is waking up. I am brushing my teeth. She is brushing her teeth. I am drinking coffee. She is drinking coffee. I am starting my day. She is starting her day. Excellent. Now change to he. I am waking up. He is waking up. I am drinking coffee. He is drinking coffee. Very good practice. I am plus verb plus ing. This is called the present continuous. Examples: I am eating. I am walking. I am learning. I am speaking.
Now you try. I am blank English. Learning. I am blank breakfast. Eating. I am blank to work. Going. Excellent.
Slow. I am waking up. I am brushing my teeth. I am drinking coffee. I am starting my day. Now, normal speed. I am waking up, brushing my teeth, drinking coffee, and starting my day. Again, I am waking up, brushing my teeth, drinking coffee, and starting my day. Good job. Now speak about your real morning. Say, I am waking up at, I am making, I am eating, I am going to. Speak for 2 minutes. Do not stop. Say this sentence 20 times slowly. I am confident when I speak English. Tomorrow morning, try this. When you wake up, do not think in your native language. Think in English. Say, good morning. I am waking up. I am feeling good. Today is a good day. I am ready. Practice every day. Small practice, big results. You are improving.
You are learning.
You are practicing.
And that is powerful.
Together, this is English Podcast Home. Slow English, clear English, confident English. See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.